If you guys like our video, for more video click the subscribe button below. And also tap on the bell icon. Thank you. AirPods provide rich, high-quality AAC audio, and when you want to be heard, dual beam-forming microphones filter out background noise when you make calls. Just take them out and they're ready to use with all your devices.
Audio Jungle.
Put them in your ears and they connect instantly. Speak into them and your voice sounds clear. Introducing AirPods. Simplicity and technology, together like never before. The result is completely magical wireless headphones. Finally untangled. After a simple one-tap setup, AirPods are automatically on and always connected. Using them is just as easy. They can sense when they're in your ears and pause when you take them out. And the AirPods experience is just as amazing whether you're listening to your iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad or Mac. What's a chip doing in there? A whole lot. All the groundbreaking things AirPods can do are driven by the custom-designed Apple W1 chip. It produces extremely efficient wireless for a better connection and improved sound. And the W1 chip manages battery life so well you can listen for 5 hours on a single charge. It's performance that's unheard of in a device this small. The power of 24-hour battery life. AirPods deliver an industry-leading 5 hours of listening time on one charge, and they're made to keep up with you. Thanks to a charging case that holds multiple additional chargers for more than 24 hours of listening time. Need a quick charge? Just 15 minutes in the case gives you 3 hours of listening time. To check the battery, simply hold the AirPods next to your iPhone. More than 24 hours of battery life with charging case. Up to 5 hours of battery life on one charge. 15 minutes of charging equals 3 hours of battery life. Clearly superior sound. It's great sounding music, movies and more to your ears. AirPods provide rich, high-quality AAC audio, and when you want to be heard, dual beam-forming microphones filter out background noise when you make calls.